Ata Mafukate ucabanga ukuthi senze ikwasa. Yeah? He thinks this is still mnike. Awutholi next. Awudeserve next. Awutholi next. The nerve of you. Yeah? Ngiyanamukela kwinkqubo yami bomntaba kadade, bomntaba kagogo, bomntaba ka-aunty, bomntaba ka-sissy. I am Sims, and it's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels on Sware Kamuhala. Happy first day of school in 2026 to all the babies and all the moms that are stressed at the Department of Education, still trying to get space, trying to be placed. Ngiyaxolisa guys, but kuzolunga guys. I hate the system too. I hate this online application system, but I hope you guys, I just ask you, like, you guys just in my thoughts and in my prayers. Now, the nerve of Ata Mafukate wanting to sue his former lover, Usisi, is insane. Okay? He is about to sue Usisi for emotional distress, allegedly, saying that he also lost income because Usisi defamed his character. Were we not all there? Is he not trying to gaslight us? Remember when it was alleged that Usisi was in a very toxic relationship with this man? This man used to do the WWE SmackDown RVD on Usisi. Usisi couldn't walk, couldn't make an income, couldn't support herself, let alone take care of herself physically because of everything that you put her through. Did we not see you? Yo, transport error, guys. I'm recording it saying, please, I'm a bello, my transport. So Arthur, he has no capabilities of getting the police to me. Ne? So it's just transport bells. Yes. You remember when he dragged literally, okay, not literally, allegedly, Usisi Nemoto, and she couldn't walk. And she uses herself to generate income. You remember that? So he says that ever since those allegations and accusations, because the court ruled in his favor, and they were like there was no case here. You know how Amakoto are against us anyway. So he was like, ever since that case, he's been defamed. He's losing income. It's giving him emotional distress. He can't sleep. He can't eat. He can't breathe. Now he wants 1.5 million rands from Usisi. Sisi's lawyers have not responded to this. Siswam, get your Robocop on. This man does not deserve a cent from you. And this man does not deserve a tear from you. Okay? Because he's trying to get you rattled. Ungavumi ngapha. Angifuni ngapha. Na ungavumi ngapha. Okay? Hang in there, Siswam. Hang in there. You know I love you. No, I love Sisi. Before we carry on with this video, if you are looking for mommy content, lifestyle content, fashion content, Gratitude has got you covered, Sana. A fashionista of note, a life liver of note. Please go over there and show her some love. Show her that management is here now in 2026 to what? Give you the support that you deserve from us. Gratitude, we will be here. We will be subscribing to you, my darling. Now, Tammy Zala. Yeah? Do you know that we just spoke about him the other day, saying that he has a 500,000 rand bill that he owes to the municipality for electricity and water? Guess what? After that story, and this story was from the mayor of Pitor, Dr. Nasipi, after they went and cut off the lights and electricity and water at his new mall and apartment complex, you know what happened? He went behind the corridors, behind the closed doors. He spoke to people, and then they reconnected him illegally, which means what? He paid each ocho a brown envelope, and then they reconnected him. After reconnected him, Dr. Nasipi was like, what? The nerve and the audacity. They went back again and they cut him off again. And now he owes what? 1 million rand because what? He reconnected illegally. Dr. Nasipi, it means that you have Mgulugutus working for you in the municipal offices who is taking the bribes to reconnect illegally. So also look in your back office. Tell me, now you owe them 1 million. It gets worse. No! You think it's done? It gets worse. Guess what? He has another complex, luxury apartment that owe 2.3 million rands. Yes! Utami is the builder and not a payer. He is a doer and not a maintainer. He is a receiver and not a giver. Hmm? How do you keep building luxury and luxury, but you can't pay for the luxury services? Booty, cock. Hey, Dr. Nasipi is up to here with you. Just you alone. You owe 3.3 million. Yeah, yeah. No Valentine's this year. It's really going to be bleak. Why do I feel like Lerato Kanyako is going to get a Malab candy this year? Because no. Ah, the comment section. Can you imagine if he buys the whole country for Lerato this year? After we know everything that we know about Tan, the comment section is going to be very different. No, guys, it's not police coming to fetch me. It's another transport coming to fetch a child. It's school bag air. Hi, Utami. The nerve to reconnect illegally. Now you've lost the money that you've used to use the back doors. Now you must really pay. And now, paying now they are on you. Anytime there's a light, they're going to be like, ah. You can't even light a candle at this point because where do you get the audacity to brighten anything when you owe the municipality? Tell me who dangerous, like you're more dangerous than electricity. Oh, hi, bo guys. Not me editing my video and seeing that my video just cut while I was still talking. I was just saying that he is more dangerous than electricity. No, I can't say he's more dangerous than electricity because he doesn't even pay for electricity, so he wouldn't catch that metaphor. But no, guys, what I mean, Lala, like the nerve, the audacity to all the municipality, and you just keep on creating luxury. Tami, but what wena? Abuti, no, don't do that. What's going to do that? No, guys, go ngata, go busy. Let us talk more in the comment section down below.